Dear students, today's topic is your factorizations of algebraic expressions. Earlier, last chapter 5 is your algebraic expressions. This is your chapter 6, factorization of algebraic expression. How do you factorize? That means you find the factors of an expression. So, what is factors? You know what is factors? Two or more numbers that are multiplied to form a product are called factors. For example, 3 into 5 is 15. That means factors of 15 is 3, 5. Factors of 15 are 1, 3, 5 and 15. Okay. In algebraic expressions, in algebra, you can write a into b plus c is your ab plus ac. The ab plus ac is the product and a and b plus c are the factors of these products. Like in 15, product is your 15, then factors are 3 and 5 and you can add also 1 and 15 also 15. So they are factors. Clear? Now you have to factorize. That means in the expression you find the factors. How do you find? Suppose given type 1. Type 1 to factorize a polynomial whose terms have common monomial factor. Suppose one type of questions examples given 7x minus 7. It is an expression. Okay. So you have to find out the factors. So 7x minus 7y in these expressions, what is common? 7 is common in between the two terms. 7x and 7y, 7 is common in this term, first term, and also 7 is common there. So you take common 7. X minus 1. So two factors are there. One is 7 and other is x minus 1. So factors of 7x minus 7y are 7 and x minus 1. Take another example. AC minus, this is a trinomial, AC minus BC plus C. In all the terms, in 3 terms, C is present. So you can take C as common. So A minus B plus 1. So two factors are there. One is C and other is A minus B plus 1. This is one factor and C one factor, A minus B plus 1 also other factor. Two factors are there. Take another example. 3x minus 12. In this case, 3x minus 12, 3 factors of 12 is 3 into 4, 2, 6. So 3 is present here in first term. So you can take example 3. Take in common 3, the x minus 4. So these are the two factors, 3 and x minus 4. This is your type 1 monomial. You have to find out the monomial with binomial. Okay, we are trinomial here. Second example is your trinomial. Now type 2, when the given algebraic expression contains common binomial factors. Suppose 4 terms are there, you have to find out the factors. B into B, take an example. B into B plus D minus D into B plus D. The B plus D, B plus D is present also first term and also second term. So you take common B plus D. So B plus D you take common. Then here B left, so you take B minus D. Okay. Now another example, A into A minus 3 minus 7 into write a plus b plus c, a plus b, then in both the cases type 2, both are binomial. You take a plus b common, then a plus c, answer. The two binomial factors are there. Okay, this is type 3. Then next is your factorizing perfect trinomial square. Suppose you know earlier the chapter 5, the formulas, the special products, a plus b whole square, a minus b whole square, 3 identities already I explained. So now suppose one question is given, a square plus 2ab plus b square is a trinomial and this is identity. You know a plus b whole square is a square plus 2ab plus b square. So you can break this one, you can write a plus b whole square. A square plus 2ab plus b square, you know, that's why you can write a plus b whole square. Then a plus b into a plus b are the two factors. So a plus b to a plus b are the two factors of a square plus 2ab plus b square. Now second example you take x square plus 6x plus 9. First you break in a plus b whole square form. Let's check x whole square plus 9 is your whole square of 3. Then 2 into x into 3. So you can break 6x, you can break 2 into x into 3. That means a plus b whole square formula. So this is your x plus 3 whole square. So x plus 3 into x plus 3 are two factors of x square plus 6x plus 9. Suppose in this case, suppose x square plus 6x, instead of plus, this is minus. Suppose this is minus 6x. So this is your a minus b whole square. So x minus b and x minus 3. Then this is your identity 1 and identity 2. Then third identity is your a square minus b square is your a plus b into a minus b. Okay? This one third identity. One example, so x square minus 16. So you can break first and third identity. This is your x whole square, 4, 16 is your whole square of 4. So this is the form of a square minus b square, where a is your x and b is your 4. So a plus b into a minus b. So x plus 4 into x minus 4. This is your identity 3. Then another identity, this one your x plus a into x plus b is your x square plus x into a plus b plus ab. This is your fourth identity, and this is written, this is the trinomial written in the form of x square plus bx plus c. Take an example in the other way, you can tell its middle term split. So x square plus 6x plus 8, and one example is given. The three terms are there, but this is not this type of a plus b whole square, because 8 is not square of any number. So you can try the middle term split. Middle term means your middle term is 6 from 2, x plus 4. In both the top, x plus 4 is present. So you take common again, x plus 4 you take common. So x plus 2. So what are the factors? X plus 4 and x plus 2 are the factors of x square plus 6x plus 8. This is in other way you can say middle term split. Okay, that means you have to break the middle term. This is next another example, x square plus 13m plus 42. So which two number you have to multiply, you get 42, and you have to add, you get 13. So what are the factors of 42? 6 and 7, two factors. If you multiply 6 and 7, you get 42, and if you add 6 and 7, you get 13. 6 plus 7 is your 13. So you can break m square plus 13m 6m plus 7m plus 42. Then you take common m from m square plus 6m you take common m plus 6. From 7m plus 42 you take common 7 m plus 6. Then you get again you take m plus 6 is common, then m plus 7. So m plus 6 and m plus 7 are the two factors of m square plus 13m plus 42. Okay. Last one, another this type, but here the format is ax square plus bx plus c. Just above it, x square plus bx plus c, but here ax square plus bx plus c. You have to multiply a into c. This is also similar type middle term split, but here a is present something. But here only x square, but you have here 2x square. So 5 into 2 is your 10. So what are the factors of 10? If you multiply these two factors, then you get 10, and if you add, then you get 7. So you have to break 7x into, you have to break 7x to 2x plus 5x. But 5 to that 10 and 5 plus 2 is your 7. So 2x plus 5x plus 5. So you take common 2 and 2x you take common, then you get x plus 1 plus 5 you take common, you get x plus 1. Then in both the cases x plus 1 present, so you take common x plus 1 is your 2x plus 5. So this is x plus 1 and 2x plus 5 are the factors of 2x square plus 7x plus 5. Now take another example, 2x square plus 9x minus 5. So 5 to the 10, then which number? You have to break which number you multiply, you get 10, and add, you get 9 minus 10. So you can break 9x, 10x minus 10 plus 1 is your minus 9. 2x square plus 10x minus x minus 5. 9x you can break, 10 minus 1 is your 9. So 2x square plus 10x minus x minus 5. Then you take common from 2x plus 10x, you take common 2x. X plus 5 minus 1 x plus 5. Then x plus 5 present both the terms, so you take common x plus 5, and this is left 2x minus 1.